Hey, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be providing you with the Kinemaster mod APK, that is the version 5.2, which is newly released in Play Store. So let's get started without wasting any time. So you can find this link in the description below and click it on, and it'll redirect you to the Chrome page and open a media file site, and you can download it from there. And after downloading, click on the install button. But note, before installing the new Kinemaster, the modded one, you have to uninstall the old Kinemaster if you have it already. So click on the install button, and if it doesn't allow, go to settings and press open from resources or uninstall it from this source. So wait until it installs. Until it installs, you can follow me on Instagram and also join my Telegram page down below, Telegram group. You'll be getting new APKs, and also you'll get new tips and tricks in the group, and you can also share problems or technical issues in which I can help you to sort out that. So as you can see, the Kinemaster 5.0 has opened, and it's the new version, and also it shows that you're a premium user. And for extra tips, you can go to settings and go to advanced and experimental settings, and you can enable the unlimited video layer mode and also the saving with 60 fps mode, and enable adding 240 fps is an experiment settings, and do it in your own risk because the Kinemaster app may crash. So for the proof, I'll be just making a short video now. So I've added some clips, and you can see there's no watermark also, and you can add the premium transitions, VFX, and also overlays. And also the asset store is completely available and it's not fake. So as you can see, you also have a new update, that is get projects, that is you can import the projects made by other people, for example the Kinemaster officials or creators, into your video. You can download and use these templates by itself. This is a new beta version or new feature added to the Kinemaster. And also the asset store, Kinemaster asset store, is working completely fine. And for proof, I'll download some VFX and some text and some music and some videos. And this is a new feature provided by Kinemaster 5.2, that is videos. You will get free green screen and copyright free videos. For example, this blue screen, and also this money blue screen. So as you can see, the asset store is completely working and fine. You also get new transitions and new overlays. So I guess this time Kinemaster has done a very good job in this update. You also get the new photos mode, that is you get free copyright photos, and you can use them in your videos, and you can use them as backgrounds. So as you can see, the Kinemaster is working completely fine and it's modded. And please do use a mod version if you don't have money to buy it or you're short of money. So who can afford it, please support the creators. This is the video, those who want the mod APK. And please do subscribe, like and share, and let us reach 2k subscribers and I'll do my face reveal. So that's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please do follow us on Instagram and also join my Telegram group, which you can find the link down below to my group. So thank you for watching, see ya in a new video.